Alright guys, today I have something special for you. If your kids want to shoot with you but they're not 18, this is actually quite a nice and powerful airgun that I want to demonstrate to you. It's actually rubber soft bullets. So what you can see here is actually soft bullets made from rubber. But the power is quite significant, I would say. Well, but maybe shot inside a nice target or bottle would be quite fun. So let's check it out. Let's test it out on the inside. I'm gonna let my boy shoot it. Alright guys. Alright guys, now he's gonna pull it back. Okay, it's loaded. So now if you press the trigger, it will fire. But before you do that, you need to load the bullet, the plastic bullet, or the rubber bullet, and shoot it. So let's see how it works. Again, it's quite powerful. Okay. So he's gonna aim. We got a nice target. Okay, he's gonna aim now, and he's gonna shoot. So we have a bottle. We have a bottle here, and a target. So let's see if it's powerful enough. Okay. Oh yes, so as you can see, it's pretty fast, pretty powerful. I'm gonna shoot it now. Okay, he pulled it back, now he's putting the bullet in. Okay, it's almost like a NERF, but, well, made with rubber bullets, not foam bullets. Okay, so, let's shoot it again. Okay, so from my perspective, we have the gun, we have the target, and let's see how it works. So again, pretty much fun, but be careful, don't shoot at other kids, and best to wear some protective goggles. Alright, nice.